police department's gonna be up here, so
we need to go faster. It's coming right at us. No, keep straight, keep straight. Yes, keep straight. We can come up behind it later. That thing is...
Jesus Christ.
Go, Chandler.
Jesus.
Never in my life will I see this again.
Oh my God.
Hey, roll down your back window. Yeah, pretty much. But keep going. I would definitely keep going. I would definitely keep going. Chandler, do not go back that way.
Nate, film it.
I am.
There's two of them.
We need to go that way.
No,
Chandler, God damn it, go back.
We're fine.
Chandler, go the fuck back. I'm not kidding. We don't know if this thing can change directions. We're not experts. It's crossing the interstate right where we were. Oh my God. You can see huge debris. Chandler, chill out for a second. Let's just sit right here. We're good right here.
Shelly's gotta get safe.
Oh my God, yeah, we're semi-good now. Oh my God. That thing is destroying everything.
That's going right over the knee switch.
Bad idea.
I'm going.
Alright. We're about to cross the interstate right where it crossed.
This time.
Where are you planning on going right now?
Look at that.
Oh my God,
my God.
Look at that damage. Look at that, right underneath the overpass.
Look at that. Look over there.
I'm zoomed in too close. Shit, I didn't get anything of it. Look at that.
Oh, I know. That's from the...
Light poles down in the road. This thing can't focus quick enough.
That went right through Summer Place, dude. I don't give a shit about power lines or anything like that. Look over there.
Yeah, I know.
I'm sorry.
Is Shelly at
yes, it's Summer Place.
Summer Place? Alright.
Oh my
I
God.
don't even know if we're going to be able to.
Yes, I'm getting there. Look at the mini store.
You're good. Mini storage is good. This is Twister shit. This is Twister shit. I can't even recognize this place, and I've driven up and down this.
Fuck.
We can't get there.
God damn it.
See if you can hop right through there and...
That's power lines.
Yeah, but you got rubber tires. Look at this.
Oh my God.
Is there another way? Yeah, let's go behind. There's a road that connects to where the mini storage is. It goes behind University Village. Come on.
Get in, get in.
Come on.
My dog. Oh my God, my dog.
Are you okay? Hey, are people okay?
I don't know. I can't.
Nate, we gotta
Call nobody.
go help.
We
we
need
gotta
to
get
check
out.
on Shelly.
Oh my God, y'all. Can I use y'all phone?
Yeah.
My phone. Oh my God.
It just went right through.
What number you need?
It just went right through the city
911.
development
Somebody,
projects.
Hey, the police are all over the place.
Oh my God, my dog dead. Oh my God. Can you call?
Nate, we gotta like there's tons of people out there.
I know.
Can you? I can't do nothing. Oh my God. Oh my God, y'all. 826 46
Do
45.
we need to see if we
Seven.
can get the Shelly? Actually, I'll try to call
Y'all, I
her.
believe
already tried to
people
call.
stuck.
I've already tried to call.
I believe it.
What? People are stuck?
I'm screaming help, and I hear people
Nate,
screaming.
All right, let's see if we can get down that
All
road.
right, look, you were fine to stay here. Look, grab my backpack.
Do you
God,
want to
y'all.
take this?
Huh?
Do you want to take this?
Oh my
Hey,
God.
cops right there.